Masculine traits that drive women crazy. Have you ever wondered what women look for in a man? What does a woman find appealing? What will compel her to be fixated on you? I know every man thinks of these questions. Well, I can agree with the fact that women are difficult to understand. Finding out what women desire in a man can be a very challenging task. She once criticizes a little aspect of your personality, but later she becomes positively obsessed with it. Women are challenging to comprehend. But don't worry, gentlemen, I have something perfect for you. Most women find certain things to be very attractive. I will discuss these traits with you to assist you in solving the puzzle of the mysterious female mind. So let's begin the video. 1. Confidence. The quickest approach to genuinely attracting more attractive ladies into your life is to boost your self-confidence as a man. It's easy to understand why. It can be beneficial to take a step back and consider how our physiology and brain affect our wants while attempting to answer the question, what do women look for in a man? We have an innate desire to find mates who share our ideal characteristics for survival and procreation. Men choose women who are appealing, young, and healthy. Women desire men who can protect and care for them and their children and are also strong, intellectual, and emotionally mature. Being confident is crucial because it's the first step to attracting women's attention and making them crazy. Believe me or not, that's the reality. If you have charm but lack confidence, it is worthless since charisma alone reduces you to the level of a clown. A fair dose of magic might tilt the scales in your favor and cause her to become fixated on you when paired with confidence. So be confident. 2. Manliness. Women adore your masculine aspect, even if you wear ripped jeans and want an expensive haircut, regardless of how much today's society, fashion, and habits obscure the concept of being a man. Women adore it when you think, act, and behave like a man, just as you do when you are typically drawn to a woman's feminine side. Don't be afraid to pursue your male interests. You will score big points if you can assist her in fixing her bike or moving a bulky wardrobe because she will usually be drawn to your strength. Act like a man and behave like a man. That is the essential thing in your closet. Listening to talkative women. Women are talkative creatures. Am I right? I can understand how it may get tiresome to hear a thorough account of our emotional states constantly, a new update on what we purchased on sale, or our view of not another neighboring woman. How frustrating. I have noticed that many males acquire the capacity to activate listening through daily activities. If you want to attract women. 1. Demonstrate your ability to listen to a woman. 2. By participating in the conversation, show that you are giving consideration to what she is saying. 3. Maintain direct eye contact with her during her speech. And a pro tip: put your phone away. Mandatory. Number 4. Trust. What women want in a man is someone with all of the qualities we've discussed up to this point and who they feel comfortable confiding in with their life. But trust is necessary for attraction to happen. Just think about it. You would be concerned if the girl you saw went out to party and returned home smelling like alcohol. Would you not experience the same level of love and kinship as you would with a lady you could entirely rely on, right? The same is the problem with women. They seek a dependable and devoted partner who gives them a sense of security and is truthful with them even when it is difficult. A lady feels safe and cherished when she trusts you and knows you won't cheat on her. Do what you promise to do when you say you'll. Tell her no when you want, and arrive on time. Have open discussions with her about your beliefs about commitment and the kind of relationship you're looking for. Speak your truth honestly, even if it makes you uncomfortable. She might not always agree with what you have to say, but if you follow through on your commitments and are open and honest about your needs, wants, and desires, she will be drawn to you in an unexplainable manner. Number 5. Passion. Passion is critical in responding to the question, what do women look for in a man? The main factor that attracts women to guys is when they live with a sense of purpose. This happens when a man is excellent at something. Similarly, when a man is enthusiastic about anything, he intentionally pushes or concentrates all his energy on that item. If you are purely interested in anything to the point where it becomes attractive, And you feel yourself, and your energy is raised when you do it. That is enough. You don't have to be a champion at your significant effort. A man with enthusiasm is an active man who is aware of his goals in life and is prepared to take the necessary steps to realize them. A life of silent desperation and a life lived to the fullest extent are separated by passion. More than anybody else, women desire an adventurous existence. They want a companion with whom they may embark on their journey to experience life to the fullest. You will demonstrate to her that you are the ideal travel partner by pursuing your interests, following your passions, and evolving into a modern-day Renaissance man. So must have the power. Number 6. Be organized and tidy. When it comes to keeping their environment tidy, men are incredibly careless, and trust me or not, but this is a major turnoff. She will become disgusted if you can't keep your room tidy. Cleanliness matters a lot. Well, I must say that work on it and put as much attention and effort into cleaning up your surroundings as you do into keeping yourself looking beautiful. Women feel great when they observe males keeping their possessions in order and organized. Number 7. Attention. It is simple to become disoriented by everyday obligations and other life events, but remember what's crucial for your connection. I'm not just referring to her birthday or your anniversary. I'm also referring to how you keep up with her personal affairs. Be sure to ask her how something went if she mentions that she had a significant engagement. Ask her about every business meeting she attended earlier in the day. If she is enrolled in school and just finished a challenging exam, bring up the topic of conversation. Run a bath for her if you know she is not feeling well. And don't forget to pay attention to her. That's the main thing women search for while choosing a man. Number 8. Be creative. Well, the fact is that in the beginning, all partnerships are enjoyable. After the initial period, boredom sets in, and things won't get any better until you are creative. Women are often drawn to unpredictability and surprise. Who doesn't enjoy a little adventure and a little thrill in life? They seek a man who lives each day as it comes rather than making elaborate arrangements. Every encounter they have with you, they want to be astonished. They also want to know that you are open to any plans at any time of day since, let's face it, the best things frequently occur when you least expect them. Be creative because women are attracted when they see anything unique, anything creative in you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.